If mangroves are Earth's fastest carbon sinks, peatlands and marshes are its oldest. These ecosystems store carbon not by rapid growth but by time. Layer upon layer, century after century, peatlands cover only about 3% of Earth's land, yet they store more carbon than all the world's forests combined. That fact alone changes priorities. Peat forms when plant material falls into waterlogged soil with almost no oxygen. Decomposition slows to near zero. Carbon accumulates instead of escaping. Some peat deposits are thousands of years old. This makes peatlands carbon vaults, not absorption engines but long-term locks. When intact, peatlands absorb modest amounts of carbon each year, but when disturbed they become catastrophic emitters. Drainage exposes peat to oxygen. Oxidation accelerates. Stored carbon is released rapidly. Peat fires can burn underground for months, releasing centuries of stored carbon in a single season. This is why protection matters more than expansion here. Restoring peatlands is not about planting trees. It is about re-wetting landscapes, blocking drainage canals, raising water tables, stopping oxidation. Once water returns, emissions stop almost immediately. That is the key advantage. Peatland restoration halts carbon loss faster than almost any other intervention. Costs are low compared to benefits. Re-wetting peatlands typically costs $500 to $2,500 per hectare, including a 20% buffer. The carbon impact is disproportionate. Globally, protecting and restoring degraded peatlands could prevent billions of tons of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere. Peatlands also regulate water systems. They reduce floods, stabilize drought cycles, filter fresh water. Like mangroves, they defend civilization quietly. Their destruction has been accidental, not inevitable. Agriculture. Drainage, infrastructure, but restoration is simple. Peatlands do not need optimization. They need preservation. In Earth restoration, some systems must grow fast. Others must simply be left intact. Peatlands are the latter. Lose them and Earth releases its past. Protect them, and Earth keeps its memory.